Good morning everyone in today's grammar online class. So students, today we will talk about the usage of was and were. As we have done the use of is, am, are in your sentences and has, have, had in your sentences. So today we will talk about was and were. So was and were, these are also verbs, and these verbs are used when we talk about something we did in the past, जो past में हो चुका है. We use these verbs was and were with the to tell about past. जो past में कोई action हो चुके हैं, जो past में हम किसी चीज़ की बात करते हैं, then we use was and were. Okay? So, with the help of this conjugation method, now you are known about this conjugation method. This is the easy way to learn the usage of verbs, was and were. So firstly, I, you, he, she, it. These are the first person pronouns. Fine. So with I, we always use was. I was. When you make any sentence, I was absent yesterday. I was absent yesterday. Here we are talking about the action which is done in the past. जो हमारे past में, जो हमारे पहले हो चुका है. It is completed now. So here we have used the sentence I was absent yesterday. कल मैं absent था. Fine. You. Now here I have taken this you as singular here, singular for one. If I am talking to one, then I use this singular pronoun you. You were very happy yesterday. You were very happy yesterday. कल आप बहुत खुश थे. You were going with your mom to the market yesterday. Fine. He, she, it. These are singular pronouns. He for male, she for female, and it for we use for non-living things and for neuter sentences. Got it? For animals you use it. So here with singular he, she और it. इनके साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Was. क्योंकि वो singular है, तो हम was use करेंगे. Understand? He was playing very well. She was writing neatly. It was grazing in the field. Fine. Now come to these second person pronouns. We, you, they. Now here again you have come. So why do we use here again you? Because here we are telling about more than one and about all. Here I am talking about plural. All. You all. So with the we use were. We were completing our work in the classroom. Fine. You were jogging in the park yesterday. You all were talking in the class. You all were enjoying the party. Fine. They were going to attend the function. Okay. Now again let us go through this conjugation method. With I, we always use was. With you as a singular pronoun, we use were. He, she, it, singular pronouns, was. We, plural, because here we हम कहाँ use करते हैं? जब आप भी किसी group के साथ involve होते हैं. When you are also involved in that group, then we say we. Okay. Now with we use were. With you we use were. With they we use were. Fine, children. Now come to this as we have talked about pronouns here. Keep in mind that this same rule goes with nouns also. Nouns. If the noun is singular, we use was. If the nouns are plurals, जब वो plural होते हैं, एक से ज़्यादा होते हैं, then we use were here. Got it? Now come to examples. First example, if we take, the room was big. Now we are here talking about a room, and that room, the room was big. और वो जो room है, हमने was यहाँ पर क्यों लगाया? Because the room is singular. ये singular है. We are talking about one room. तो we have used here was. The room was big. वो बहुत बड़ा था. बड़ा था. It was a sunny day. We are talking about the day which is past. जो हो चुकी है चीज़. It was a sunny day. Now where again a sunny day? It is singular. जो day है वो singular है, तो हम यहाँ पर it was use कर रहे हैं. Was singular वो was. Once upon a time. Now when you write any story or you do any composition, when we give you, you start your story with this. Once upon a time, एक समय की बात है, there was a king. एक राजा था. Understand? So here we are talking about one king. This is singular, so we have used was. Fine? Vivek was ill. Now Vivek again is singular, so we have used here was. Now come to plurals, where we use plural, like where we use were. We were tired after the match. हमने एक मैच खेला था और उसके बाद we were tired. हम थक चुके थे. So ma'am has used here verb with we. Plural pronoun. Understand? So ma'am has used here verb. There were no children in the library. So यहाँ इस सेंटेंस में हम बात कर रहे हैं कि लाइब्रेरी में बच्चे नहीं थे. Children. So children are plural. Children are plural. So we have used here were. W-E-R-E were. Okay. So like this. Again, let us discuss about the usage of was and were in the chapter. So we use was and were. हम was और were कहाँ लगाते हैं? When we talk about something we did in the past. जो हमने past में जो भी action हम कर चुके हैं. For that we use was and were. And for using was and were, we are learning from this conjugation method that with singular nouns and pronouns we use was, with plurals we use were. Understand? Once again, let us discuss this. With I, you use was. You, when we take this you as singular, then we use were. With he, she, it, was. With we, when you are also involved in that, then were. When we are talking here about this you as a plural pronoun, then we say you all were. They were. With they, we use were. Fine, children. Hope this lesson will help you out in the usage of was and were. Take care.